As I sit here, just leaving Reentry Solutions, because we're still for second chances, and as I visited with the community partners from years and years ago when we first started Reentry Solutions, we were the only kid on the block. Not the new, the only kid on the block. And here we are 16 years later. 16 years. And it all started with a desire to help. A need to get in there and try to make the difference. And here we are 16 years later, still doing the same thing. You just never know when you have a God idea. Good ideas can be God ideas. So don't underestimate the power and the impact of that good idea you have. It may just be a God idea. I cannot say thank you enough to everyone near and far, whether large or small, whatever part you did to send someone to get help or to help make sure someone was able to get help through Reentry Solutions. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. There is no way that Andre and I could have been in this ministry for the last 16 years and have helped hundreds of people in need, whether it was employment, housing, family restoration, or just comfort and support. We couldn't have done it without our community partners. Thank you. And to my team, whether you were here with us still or whether you were with us in the beginning or in the middle, God adds and take away as He sees fit, and people come and they go as the need arises. Whatever part you've allowed us to play in helping you get to your journey, and especially to my interns, thank you. You helped in a way that was meaningful and impactful and needed. And to my family and friends who put up with my madness, who put up with my compulsive need to help, thank you. Thank you. We wouldn't be where we are, and the people in the community wouldn't be better off had it not been for everybody doing their part. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 16 years down and 16 plus more to go. I would be remiss without saying to my family, my immediate family, thank you for putting up with my compulsive need to serve God, to help others with all my heart and my might. To my teachers who have helped me through the years to let me know that no matter what I do, I have to do my absolute best at it, because I represent God and I represent Clinton and I represent them. Thank you. It wasn't for naught. And with that I say again, no matter what idea you have, little or small, don't underestimate the impact it can have when God gets in the middle of it. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye for now.